Good morning to you. And
Good
this is the
morning to
second class after reopening the institutions because you all are busy in other examinations, this and that. Now classes are started regularly. Revisions are going on. So children, you be careful about your studies. On that day, the chapter have been started by me, the poverty as a challenge. In that I have given a lot of definitions, this and that, conditions, poor state name. While examples are generally coming for poor state examples. To poor state examples, simply you click your mind in this way, where the conditions is not good and poverty is more and more. For that purpose, your Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, and three examples are sufficient. Then after a lot of Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh strong part, but you should not write the strong part, UP, and then after, besides this in north states, that is where cultivation is not possible, climate is not up to date to cultivate, as well as transportation, scenic beauties are not more and more, but during winter season, many tourists are in a practice to going to such hill stations to enjoy this winter in their life and earning something. And while we coming for a rich state straight way, you go to Punjab, Haryana, and besides this, this is the best example. Besides this, more examples are like that. Where the cultivation is more, you can put the example of Maharashtra also. Maharashtra condition is good, and in southern part of the country, all four states, that is also good. But while considering in all respect like agriculture, industrialization, in that Punjab and Haryana is the first in our country. And related with this, because agriculture is more and more and industrialization is more and more, both states are nearby the center of our country, Delhi. So this is the development, and while the distribution in West Bengal is also coming here. West Bengal, the first country who started the land reforms. First country. First country who started the land reforms, and in revolution in history also the more contribution of West Bengal is more and more since history. Jamindari systems also was abolished by after independence of the government. So most important land reforms, land reforms. Land reforms meaning, you know children, since today also India is being an agricultural country, and our agriculture conditions is very high nowadays, and we are competing all modern and developed countries of the world. We are not coming in first position in production, but in second position, third position, we are placed on the production of agriculture. So our condition is very nice. In that regards, this is all effort of the land reforms, and Jamindari system is also a example of the land reforms. And besides this, Government of India given a lot of land reforms to develop the agriculturists of our country. Example like MSP, Kisan Credit Card. Nowadays, Government of India started LIC on the productions. Children, while since 10 to 12 days, the weather condition of our country is not good. And in meantime, Corona is effective in the country. And besides this, bird flu is also started. You might be heard the news. Because of bird flu nowadays, it is affected the 9 states. So, 2 days back, I also heard that news in our country, in our state, Rajasthan, Ashok Gehlot government announced for reforms against this bird flu. The dice of one hen, at least 90 rupees for the owner of that poultry farm. Poultry farm, government decided for one dice and will get 90 rupees from the government side. Children, this is the reforms to develop the people, those who are related with the poultry farming. And poultry farming is also a form of agriculture. In this way, politics is running in the country, and you can see 46, 47 days it is continued still to change the bill which was announced by government in back months, and they are still struggling. Today may be the final decision, it's coming from the Supreme Court. What will happen, what to do, what steps, what the government will do. So this all land reforms. In your book, nearly 5 to 6 land reforms are there. You prepare all. This is good. Besides this, economic growth and population control, and this is the 3 things. The economic growth is always depends upon economic growth of a country is always depends upon the population. Then agriculture, then industrialization. These all are the factors, and must be the population growth. It must be. While we check the population, then one way we can check and develop our country in the fields of economic growth. Because production is less, but on the other hand, consumption is more. While production is less, consumption is more. On that ground, on that status, we are generally depending upon foreign countries. And for that foreign countries, we have to pay a lot of money in all regards. And that check the economic growth of the country. The most important economic growth always related with the agriculture and the industrialization. Besides this, Government of India to develop, to check, a lot of programs have been started, giving irrigational facilities, green revolution, and many job opportunities have been created in different parts of the agriculture. And While the development of industrialization since 1969 onwards, the big industrialist was established in our country. The big, and the first and foremost, that is the basic industries. And the basic industry example is steel and iron. This is the basic industry. This is the backbone of industrialization, started in 1969, and that year is very important in our country. Besides this, in our country, the people, those who are very poor and they are not getting twice a bread in 24 hours, for that also government of India started a lot of measures. What to provide the food facilities to such people in low rates, and a lot of examples have been given in that. The poverty is always lies, population growth, slow economic growth, children indebtedness. The meaning of indebtedness, when we are in debt, taking loan, and we are unable to pay. And while this only indebtedness, the Britishers ruled in our country years and years. They also followed the same procedure, and many poor, many tribal people, and many citizens of our country, they may migrated, left their places because they are unable to pay the taxes of the government under the British rule. So the government of India started for the development and strategy of this development, and in that 5, 6 again points are given in your book, in that current anti-poverty based on 2 plans, promotion of economic growth, promotion, बच्चों रटना है, याद करना है, promotion of economic growth and targeted anti-poverty programs. The anti-poverty programs, a lot of examples given in your book, and you have to prepare. In that, the most important is this is the most important and developed steps have been taken in our country, and this is taken by the Congress government in early periods. National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Again, National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2000. 2005 in the month of September. Under that, government have planned what? This is the complete definition of this word. Particularly, it is for rural areas, the places which is away from city and towns, and they belong. Poverty is more and more in that villages. Under this system, the people, those who are in between 18 to 35, children, you remember that 18 to 35, the adults, they may get the job opportunities after registration, and that is at least for 100 days, nearly 3 months, guaranteed job for each and every those who are interested and belongs to such groups. And this is applicable throughout the country. Throughout the country and everywhere Narega works. Children, Narega people, they are working different type of development work in different places. And they are working also in rural areas, not cities, not towns. Their work has been specified. Their work has been located in remote areas only, where their residents are near and they can easily approach and perform the work. So this is to check the poverty in our country. Besides this, many more acts have been coming. National Food Work Program 2004, and nearly 150 most backward districts of the country have been chosen by the government, and they provided a lot of work, a lot of things in that. And the most important is Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana 1993. While you learning this statement, you always learn complete, and in meantime you learn the years also. The Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana was announced in 1993. This is the most important efforts by the government in our country. Besides this, in 1935, 1935, 1990, 2000, they have again announced some plans in 93, in 95, Rural Employment Generation Program, Rural Employment and Generation Program. And then in 1999, Swarna Jayanti Gram Swarojgar Yojana. And the meaning of Swarojgar Yojana in English, it is self-employment. Children, the meaning of self-employment. Those who are educated in our country, such youths may take the assistance from the government and have proposal, and they may start any business, a small level, in middle level or a big level. And for that purpose, what are the important things? That is money. money is given by the government as a loan, and then after location these other things that is also given to the people those who are interested for this work. What for start their own business. During corona period, Pradhan Mantri of our country announced a lot of programs and maximum given emphasis for Indian product, not depending upon any foreign product in our country. And the best example, take the example of China. Our people, they boycotted the goods and services from China after that, and everywhere they based on our own projects, our own production, our own goods and services, and such type of development is called as the self-employment. While the self-employment was started by any individual or a group of individual, first of all, that is they employed themselves, as well a lot of other people may get the job opportunities in those organizations. This is called as the self-employment, and respected Prime Minister giving more emphasis to the youth of our country on these regards. Many news are also coming related with this. You heard the effect of Corona in our country. Different places, take the example of even Kota. A lot of news are coming. People are struggling. They left their jobs, no job opportunity. They are struggling. They have changed their business. This all. I heard a newspaper information related with self-employment. This is the example of first I from Kota also 5 years back. 5 IIT students, they have started the better food supply programs in Kota for the people those who are coming from different places for having education in our Kota city. Some days ago, again, I heard the news in meantime when we are struggling in our country with COVID-19. This is the news I think from UP or some places. 10 to 15 students, they join their hands and they have started the dairy programs in their areas, providing the better quality, best quality milk in low rates in those areas. Such type of activities is called as the self-employment, and this scheme was started, launched, financed, helped, and every problem has been solved by the government. Then Antodaya Anna Yojana. Antodaya Anna. Anna means Anna means food grains. Anna. This is the Hindi word by the government, and in this way, while these all programs, and this way, the conclusion, we can check the poverty. But most important word, that is improve the economic status, check the population of the country, and develop our industrialization activities in our country. These all are the examples of to check the poverty in our country. Besides this, many other things it will come. I will share in my next class. And with these children, I am blessing you. Take the bless of the God also. And with this, checking myself and thank you to all and goodbye to all.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you,
Bye, sir.
sir.
Bye, beta.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.